Hello and welcome back to Simply Devine Creations. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I post weekly videos on bullet journaling, productivity and anything creative in between. In today's video, I am going to be creating 3 different DIY Christmas cards. I have also created some free printables that I use to make each of these Christmas cards, and I will leave them linked in the description box below if you would like to also create these cards for yourself and your friends and family. So the first Christmas card I have created was probably my favourite, I think. I really love the concept and the idea and I thought it turned out really cute. So basically I created a snow globe in a Christmas card. Also, I think I forgot to mention at the start, but all 3 of these DIY Christmas cards are interactive in some way, shape or form. So I really wanted to create something that you really probably couldn't find in a store or buy. So these are the ideas that I came up with. So the second Christmas card idea I thought would be really cute would be a pop-out Christmas tree card. There are a few different ways you can do pop-out cards. This way I have actually not really done much of in the past, and I don't think it turned out quite as good as I had imagined, but it's still cute nonetheless. Also, I didn't need all of the strips for the Christmas tree to finish this card, which is why I didn't colour them all in. I just wanted to include extra in the printable just in case you're doing a bigger scale card or you wanted to do different patterns or something like that. I thought I'd just put it in there just in case. And the last Christmas card decoration, I wanted to do a pull tab type card, and I thought it would be really cute if it looked like the lights on the tree were coming on when you pulled the tab out, or that the ornaments were becoming colourful or something along those lines. So that's what I went for. Oh, I forgot to mention too that you could always print the printables out on coloured paper to save you needing to colour everything in by hand if you wanted to go that route. I decided to colour it all in by hand simply because I wanted to be able to change the colours, and it was just easier to do it this way. Thank you for watching my DIY Christmas card ideas video. Don't forget, if you liked this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.